Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. I want to share a poem of Allama Iqbal. If you don't know him, look him up. If you already know him, then you know the weight behind this. It is relevant to the upcoming election in America. And this fits, all the times also in the past about what is, governance or kingdomship or, democracy and stuff like that. So it's very, very, very on the dot. So it's a long poem of Allama Iqbal in which Allama Iqbal runs into Khizr and asks him a couple of questions. One of the question is, what is the nature of governance over people or kingdom or democracy today and ever before also? What's the true nature of it? And Khidr alayhi salam in his imagination replies him back, and that's what he has captured here. So regarding this kingdomship, Khidr alayhi salam says that आप बताऊं तुझको रमज़े आया है इन्नल मलूक. Let me tell you the reality of the verse in Quran, Innal Maluk, that is Surah Al-Naml, 34th ayat, when Hazrat Solomon sent out the warning to the queen and she does the mashwara with her staff, and she said one line that whenever these kings enter a city or a country, they destroy it and they bring its honorables they debase them. So that's the ayah that's Hazrat Khizr is pointing out to, that come, let me tell you the secret behind this verse of Innal Maluk. Sultanat Aqwam Ghalib ki hai ek jadugari. This kingdom, this control over people is actually a sorcery of elites over people. ख्वाब से बेदार होता है ज़रा महकूम अगर. If people try to wake up a little bit, फिर सुला देती है इसको हुक्मरां की साहिरी. The tricks and whatever enchantment of these elites put them to sleep one way or another again. जादू महमूद की तासीर से चश्मे अयाज. Mahmud and Ayaz is very iconic relationship between a king and his slave. The slave was super dedicated to Mahmud. So by the whatever magic of that hold of Mahmud sees, his eyes, जादू महमूद की तासीर से चश्मे अयाज, the eye of that slave, देखती है हल्का गर्दन को साजे दिल बरी. It takes this talk around his neck. The slave sees it as a tool to win the heart of the ruler. That's the mentality of a slave. खून इस्राइल आ जाता है आखिर जोश में. Israel is loose meaning is a nickname of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Israel is Abdullah, kind of a thing. It's a slave of Allah. खून इस्राइल आ जाता है आखिर जोश में. तोड़ देता है कोई मूसा तिलिस्म सामरी. And some Musa wakes up and breaks the spell of commoners. सरवरी ज़ेबा फ़कत उस ज़ाते बेहमता को है. The kingdom belongs to that entity that has no companion, is no wrong word, no equivalent. हुक्मरां है एक वही बाकी बुताने आज़री. He is the only ruler. Rest of them are all idols that needs to be broken. Az gulami fitrate azad ra ruswa makan ta tarashi khwajiye az barhaman kafir teri. It's a Persian thing. I don't understand it fully, but the rough meaning seems to be that to be happily, engaged in this show of freedom, you kind of make idols out of these leaders and kind of worship them. है वही साज़े कोहन मगरिब का जमहूरी निज़ाम. Now it focuses on democracy, current democracy of West. It is the same old trick of ruling over people, जिसके पर्दों में नहीं गैरज नवाए कैसरी. In its hidden wheels, there is nothing else except the same imperialistic drive, imperialistic wish. देवे इस्तबदाद जमहूरी क़बा में पाएकोब, the giant of the istabdad zulm, wrongdoing, the giant of that in the dress of democracy is, पैर पटकने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे, is like walking proudly by beating its feet on the ground, is dancing kind of a thing rudely. तू समझता है ये आज़ादी की है नीलम परी, and you think that this is the way to freedom. मजलिस-ए आईनो इस्लाओ रियायातो हकूक, all these committees and groups and arms regarding the constitution and reformations and rights and subsidiaries. तिब्ब मगरब में मज़े मीठे असर ख्वाब आवरी. In this hospital that you get these sweet pills that you eat, but there is nothing in it except sedatives. It puts you back into the sleeping mode. Garmiye guftare azae majalis alama. All these different institutions, this Congress, House and Senate and majority, minority speeches. Oh my God, alama. ये भी एक सरमायादारों की है जंगे ज़रगरी. This is also, puppeteers are the capitalists behind this. They have, put their money in these so-called politicians, and they are just, doing the bidding for the investors. इस सराबे रंगबू को गुलसितां समझा है तू. You think all of this colors and marvel, you think it's a garden? आह नादां, आह ए नादां, कफस को आशियां समझा है तू. Alas, oh you ignorant person, you are taking this cage as your home. Allah Ta'ala, may bless me foremost with enlightenment, wisdom, balance, insight, and all of us. Ameen, Ya Rabbi. Ameen.